Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On this circuit, the world's most famous motor race is run. The circuit is 13.469 kilometers, or 8.418 miles. Along the 3.2-mile Mulsanne Straight, the cars reach a maximum speed in excess of 230 miles per hour. There are 55 cars and 110 drivers, representing countries from all over the world. They will drive day and night through sun and rain. Each car has 2 alternating drivers. No driver may total more than 14 out of the 24 hours. Each driver must have at least 1 hour rest between turns at the wheel. No one may drive more than 4 consecutive hours. We may expect the cars through the chicane any moment now. Will it be Porsche or Ferrari in the lead?